So what was different with working with Active Life is that everything was very personalized, very customized, and solution oriented. Everything was very hands-on, as crazy as that sounds, even though Immersion was a 13-week course, all virtual. It was so hands-on because I already had clients that I was training. I was learning things. I had all these resources from videos to assignments to different things that they were giving us and challenging us with to get out of our comfort zone for the problems that we already had, for solutions that we wanted to have. And it wasn't just myself holding myself accountable, it was the whole immersion course. Now I feel so empowered. I feel so confident. I feel like I can dream bigger about my brand, about my grit and gratitude fitness and where that's going to go and where I can go as a personal trainer and how I can truly feel confident to reach out to anyone that is in pain or help a triathlete get stronger and faster or help someone that's kind of just going trying to figure out their stressors and trying to find that load versus capacity kind of balance and have those conversations with those clients. So honestly, it's been a huge relief. It's been very peaceful. The biggest stressors now is having conversations to express my value and what it is that I'm learning. And that's not even a stressor, that's a privilege because I've really been able to understand that I'm going to solve a lot of problems for my clients and that I can't be everybody's coach, but the people that are going to work with me, I'm going to for sure be able to get them results because I have the resources and access